I'm testing a lot of AI tools, but these are the first three I'm using to build the My2Incomes content engine. This isn't a list of favorites video, it's a real workflow experiment. Can I create digital assets and consistent content while working full-time? I'm going to focus on tools that help me move from idea to publish faster, with less friction, and still keep the output practical for real people. The goal is not to collect shiny AI tools. The goal is to see which tools actually help me create useful content, build digital assets, and move faster while still working full-time. I'll measure this by how quickly I can go from an idea to a finished video or repurposed asset, and whether the quality holds up when I do it again and again. The first tool is VidBoard. I'm using it to create AI-assisted videos quickly, test clone avatar-style videos, and turn ideas into slide-based content without needing a full recording setup every time. For My2Incomes, speed matters. If I can turn one topic into a decent video in a focused session, it becomes realistic around work, family, and normal life. That's why VidBoard is my starting point for video production speed. For My2Incomes, speed matters. If I can turn an idea into a decent video in a short focused session, content creation becomes something I can actually do alongside a full-time job. My goal isn't perfection on day one, it's a pipeline. Capture the idea, generate the first version quickly, then refine later without losing momentum. That's how the engine stays alive rather than turning into stalled drafts. The second tool is Unmixr. I'm testing this for voiceovers and voice cloning, mainly because voice quality can make a big difference in how professional the final video feels. In my workflow, I'll compare narration that sounds robotic versus narration that sounds confident and clear. I'll also check how well the voice handles different sentence lengths, pauses, and emphasis, because beginners often get tripped up by pacing more than wording. The third tool is Castmagic. This is how I plan to scale content reuse. It helps me take long recordings, conversations, training videos, or transcripts, and turn them into summaries, posts, scripts, hooks, and other reusable content. Instead of writing from scratch every time, I can capture once and repurpose many times. That's essential for building My2Incomes as a repeatable content engine while still working full-time. The bigger picture is the workflow. An idea becomes a script. The script becomes a voiceover using Unmixr. The voiceover becomes a video using VidBoard, usually in a fast slide-based format. Then that video or transcript can be repurposed into more content using Castmagic. I'm testing whether this loop reduces my time and increases the number of publishable assets each week, not just whether the outputs look good once. I'm going to test these tools in public and share what actually works. Not theory, not hype, just what helps build My2Incomes faster, better, and more consistently. Over the coming videos, I'll focus on real workflow wins, quicker scripts, clearer voiceovers, faster repurposing, and fewer dead-end drafts. If a tool doesn't earn its place in the engine, I'll say that too. The objective is repeatable results you can learn from.